Hello po, magbabasa po ako. At the market, Edwin is a farmer. He has many hens. His hens give him eggs. One day, he picked up the eggs. He had the eggs in a basket. He was going to market. He would sell the eggs. He met Sam in the market. Sam is a pie. Sam is a fisherman. He had a big fish in a can. He would sell his fish. Grandpa was in the market too. He wanted to buy fish. He got eggs from Edwin. He got fish from Sam.
Okay, very good. Sige ka. Bye.
Bye.
Next, ito nang babasahin niya.